completely demolished car. Oh, there's just power lines chilling in the street. Yeah, that house is completely messed up. I can see the laundry room. It's awful. That house is gone. That house is nothing but a door. It's terrible. There's like clothes everywhere. Oh my God. We're walking on the street right now, and it is completely ruined. It's just, oh, that tree is just split in half. That poor house.
Look at the flag that they put up.
Oh, I didn't know that you were coming back. I was just telling you to leave it.
There's a tree down. That car is blown out. Look at that.
It's a miracle that house is still standing.
Yeah. That's a huge tree in the car. It's right. Yeah, Rachel.
Well, that's Midtown right there. So if we can't cut through anywhere, we should be able to. Let's see if we can cut down here.